Welcome back to Smart Money. This is part 5 of our series, and today we're going deep into passive income systems that can earn money 24/7, even while you sleep. No crypto, no trading, just smart, long-term systems that work for real people, especially if you're between 25 and 30 and ready to build your freedom. Let's go? Before we start, let's get one thing straight. Passive income doesn't mean doing nothing. It means you build something once, and it keeps working for you again and again. That could be a piece of content, a digital product, or an automated system. The work is up front, but the rewards come later. That's the smart money mindset. First, YouTube automation. If you want passive income in 2025, this is one of the best options. You can run a full YouTube channel without showing your face. Use AI tools for scripting, voiceover, and editing, like ChatGPT for scripts, ElevenLabs for voice, and Picolabs or Runway for visuals. Post valuable content around finance, motivation, or tech. Once your videos start getting views, you'll earn from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships, all on autopilot. That's real digital leverage. Next up, digital products. Think about an ebook, template, or online course. You create it once, and it keeps selling. Use platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Create something useful, maybe a Notion planner, a fitness guide, or a resume template. Once it's uploaded and promoted, it becomes a 24/7 income stream. That's the beauty of digital assets. No shipping, no stock, just sales. Another smart system, affiliate websites. Build a small blog or niche site about something you know, like travel, tech, or productivity. Add affiliate links inside your articles. When people read your content and buy something, you earn automatically. It takes time to grow, but after a few months, your website can earn even when you're offline, true passive income. Here's a hidden gem, email automation. If you've got followers, viewers, or customers, start an email list. Use tools like ConvertKit, Beehive, or MailerLite to send automated sequences that share value. Promote your content and sell products. Emails are powerful because they build trust, and once your system is set up, it runs automatically. Every system you build adds up. One YouTube channel, one digital product, one affiliate site, and suddenly, you have multiple small incomes that combine into something powerful. That's how smart money grows, not from one big hit, but from consistent effort multiplied over time. That's it for Smart Money Part 5. Moneybag, now you know the systems that can earn for you 24/7, without crypto, scams, or shortcuts. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Backhand index pointing right. I'm building my passive income system. And get ready for Part 6, where we'll explore AI-powered income ideas for 2025 and beyond.